Ahead of counting of votes for Bihar polls, the RJD camp seems jubilant as the exit polls predict a major advantage for the Grand Alliance under the NDA government. In fact, RJD is celebrating Chief Ministerial face Tejasvi Yadav's 31st birthday today. The Mahagathbandhan is confident of a major victory tomorrow. Tejasvi has directed his party leaders to avoid grand celebrations post-victory and asked his candidates to not leave the counting centres before collecting their winning certificates. India Today Access My India exit poll has predicted 139 to 161 seats for the alliance with 44% vote share for the Mahagathbandhan. The exit poll has predicted less than 100 seats for India alliance that is led by incoming Chief Minister Nitish Kumar. According to the projection, the NDA is expected to get 69 to 91 seats.
हमने कोई माल नहीं लूटा है, हमने अपने परिवारजनों को फायदे नहीं पहुंचाए हैं और बिहार की जनता अंधे युग में पुनः प्रवेश कराना चाहेगी बिहार को, हम ऐसा नहीं मानते।
तो आपको लगता है कि एनडीए की एक बार फिर से सत्ता में वापस?
हमें 10 तारीख का बेसब्री से इंतजार है और जो जनता की सेवा हमने की है उसका फल हमें जरूर मिलेगा।
हम ये बहुत साफ शब्दों में मान करके चल रहे हैं कि एनडीए निश्चित रूप से बिहार में सरकार बनाएगी। हाँ, ये जरूर है कि आरजेडी अपने सुधार कर सकती है, लेकिन फिलहाल जो स्थिति है उसमें आज भी लोगों की ग्राह्यता प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी के प्रति है। तो इस नाते आपने देखा होगा कि लोगों ने ये बात साफ साफ कहा होगा कि हम बीजेपी को जरूर स्वीकारेंगे। तो स्वीकारने की स्थिति में एनडीए की सरकार वहां बनेगी।
जनता का फैसला माने कल आ ही जाएगा और एग्जिट पोल जो दिखा रहा है उसको हम एग्जैक्ट पोल मान रहे हैं। ये अकेले नीतीश कुमार की हार नहीं होगी और ये समझिए कि ये चुनाव का नतीजा जो है सिर्फ बिहार तक सीमित नहीं रहेगा, देश में इसका संदेश गया है और सकारात्मक गया है।
मैं पहले भी आपको कहता आया था जब लोग नहीं मानते थे कि गठबंधन 150 प्लस सीट लेगा। अब आपके एग्जिट पोल भी वही कहने लगे हैं। पदों की लड़ाई नहीं लड़ेंगे, हम मिलकर बिहार की लड़ाई लड़ेंगे।
The election results that are going to
at the largest political party in the country, BJP's state office, as the exit poll predictions have predicted that the party is not going back to power. The whole campus, whole BJP state office campus is deserted right now. There are very few workers who are being seen here. They are confident that the party will come back to power when the results will come on Tuesday. We have been told that when the day will move ahead, some senior party leaders will come to the office and they will make a strategy for Tuesday's counting and other instructions which will be given to the workers how the counting process will go on. With camera person Alok Das, it's Kumar Kunal for India Today from Patna. We are right now at the JDO office, its state office, and I can show you the whole campus. There is not even a single person right now around this person. Only a vehicle is standing here. The workers, even the leaders, are waiting anxiously for the results to come. But still, I can show you there are quite a few posters hanging here. The big posters in which Nitish Kumar, the present Chief Minister, is smiling, and hopefully the party and the alliance is banking on the image of Nitish Kumar that it will deliver despite the not so favorable results in the exit polls. Despite that, they are confident that they will do well and they will get majority. There are just few hours to wait when the final results will come, and that will seal the fate of the state for next 5 years. With camera person Alok Das, it's Kumar Kunal for India Today from Patna.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.